The Salesmanship Club, obviously we put on the Byron Nelson, the HP Byron Nelson tournament, and we're involved in this tournament because it gives us number one, exposure to these younger players. We feel like that enhances our Byron Nelson tournament. And the Salesmanship Club, of course, is all about golf and the Metroplex, and that's another reason why we want to be involved in this tournament. Is just because we're all about golf, and the reason we're all about golf is to support our charity, the Salesmanship Club Youth and Family Centers, and it's all about kids to us. That's why we're out here. To date, the Salesmanship Club is the number one money raiser on the PGA Tour. We've raised $127 million primarily through our HP Byron Nelson tournament. That's what we're all about. Our members get very excited about these kinds of events, get very involved selling tickets, and it's a massive effort, but our club members do a wonderful job out there, and frankly the golf community in the Dallas-Fort Worth area does a wonderful job of supporting these tournaments that we put on. Everybody out here has had some involvement in the Nelson, and it's amazing how excited these guys get about getting out here and working these golf tournaments. Again, it kind of goes back to the Salesmanship Club trying to be all about golf to raise money for our charity, and the further we can expand our reach, the better for us and the better for the community and our charity.